Oh!
Okay, Michael, I think you're full of it. So get to your spots. Hey, get to your spots now. Well, make a move already.
Stay down the barrel, people. Look inside my barrel.
Quit.
Move that away, cameraman.
3, 2, 1, go! Tristan, he's right behind the shop! Get out of there, man! No, Tristan, stop! Get back! He's gonna trap you like that. Get to the ammo stash. No, stay right there. Let's see if he's on his way.
I may just take a little snooze.
This is probably gonna be the worst video of all time, don't you think? Whoa!
Miss.
Tristan, fire! I at least get moving.
Miss.
Tristan, you're gonna get shot, man.
Miss.
I can't even think.
Miss.
Whoa!
Behind you.
Get out of there! Run! He's getting down. Dude, I'll guide you. Run as fast as you can. Get behind the tree. And there's the little wuss. You almost shot me like a couple times, man.
I was trying to do my aerodynamic thing, you know. Like when I'm trying to do some precision shots.
Okay.
I almost got him a couple times.
Yeah, well, you still missed.
So what? Smished.
All right. We are back, and things just got a little worse. Because now, look at the wimpy Mikey as he uses a chair as a shield. Oh, better run. Get behind me. Bye. Oh. Watch out! Run, dude. Oh! It's 2 shots! Whoa, you still missed. Come on, man. Whoa! You might have shot me, you know.
That's one.
That don't even count, man. Okay, we're back once again, but this time I'm with Tristan. Provided some extra protection for him, although he's been shot once. And he gets shot one last time, he's done for. If you have to use that. But let's not forget, it's hard primer, so... Dude, you don't have to use it right away. I just mean save it for later. Dude, he's coming! Run! Dude, forget, he's coming this way! Come on! Run! Behind me! Dude, don't leave. Oh, now you got a sword, huh? Shoot me if you dare! Oh! What a near fall! Make your shot. You gotta aim a little better than that. Remember, think and count before you shoot. Alright. Watch out! If you're shot one last time, it's the end. Yeah, but like I said earlier, this is probably gonna be the worst video of all time. Dude, get behind me. Okay, you know what? Screw it. Just run. Run to that tree over there. Behind the tree. Well, he's just wimping out right now. Like a scaredy cat. He's just grabbing extra stuff just so that he can wuss out, don't you think?
Yeah.
Hey! Michael the douche wuss! Are you gonna make a move or what? Did you hear what I called him?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Uh-oh, now he's dual wielding some snipers. Tristan, did you hear that? He's dual wielding snipers, dude. This is not good news for you. Tristan, get behind this tree. Most importantly, get behind me.
Only down to one bullet.
No, you still got another bullet on that chain. You gotta aim better than that. You didn't even get a shot on him. Oh. Michael's a wuss. He's a little wuss. Uh-oh. He's not happy now. At least make a move. Oh. I knew that was a fake.
Put it down.
Oh, that does it. Okay, you know what? Okay, I'm done providing cover for everyone. Make your Michael, if you're going for it, lay your last shot. Tristan, if you wish to make a shot, you gotta run for it. You got.
Right there, kid.
Don't listen to him, man. He's gonna trick you. Don't listen to him, man. What's that? Oh, don't even think about it. And yeah, of course he got him. So that says it. Hey, he's already dead. So there you go. Michael has made a victory. But still less than I am. So thanks for watching the video. Add some comments when I subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey guys, I almost beat in the first match before this, but something happened. We had to cancel the video. Sorry. I had like 2 shots on him. But, you know, how it is. Can't always finish a video.
So we'll see you next time.